Hey everyone, welcome back. This is Shelly of Letters by Shells, and today I am super excited to share with you the Tombow VIP Club box for the month of January. This is their first VIP box that they are releasing for 2020. So let's go ahead and take a sneak peek and just see what's inside. Super excited. So they always come with the flyer that kind of explains everything. So maybe I should just skip that and we can just dive right into it. So of course, talking about sharing art matters and fun things like that. So what is this? Oh my goodness. No way. These are Tombow, they're cards, they're playing cards, but they're like Tombow edition. How amazing is that? That is just so much fun. Oh my gosh, I have to open these. Let me go ahead and give you a sneak peek of them. Okay, here are the cards. These are so much fun. Basically, they're 2020 Tombow playing cards and they're literally Tombow themed. If you take a look at them, how beautiful is that? They have the artwork designs. Oh, that's amazing. They literally have everyone's artwork on these cards. How awesome is that? Makes my heart so happy. And then the Joker bringing the Tombow dual brush pens. This is amazing. Oh my goodness. So the playing cards are here. Amazing, so much fun. So next is the Tombow mono drawing pens. Amazing. It has all the colors in here. Super great deal on this. And then this is, what is this? Oh my goodness. Tombow dual brush pen, like an entire set. A set of celebration. That's awesome. I'm gonna go ahead and do a couple of swatches of these in just a minute, but how amazing are these? Here it all is, the entire magic and what's inside of the Tombow VIP box. So you have your Tombow dual brush pens, the celebration pack, the mono drawing pens, along with the playing cards. I did a quick swatch, I'll show you in just a minute. But if you're interested, the Tombow VIP box sells super quick. So if you are interested, link in bio and it'll take you over to the Tombow website. So stay tuned if you want to watch the swatches of all the pens, and I'll do that in just a minute. So this is a quick swatch of all the colors that's in the celebration pack right here. So I hope you all enjoyed, and yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye!